they have to catch up with the train. So they have to make 2 rows of chassis, and it seems like the lift is going faster than the speed of putting chassis. See some kind of rush. Everybody is rushing to get the chassis ahead of the lift. The lift is right here. And when you have shortage of drivers, or you cannot get all of them to work at the same time efficiently, you run into problem. And another problem, when they all get together at the same time, become a crazy place where you can kill each other. At least now he has a room to get in and out before the other guy runs into him. So he dropped that, and he's going to get another one. At least he dropped the one inside. So the inside are okay. The inside chassis are okay. The crane is coming, or the lift is. What is this guy doing? He is what he's supposed to be. Oh, he ran out. He have to pick a specific chassis. That is why I'm looking. Why did he do that? Yes, he is putting it on the outer chassis. Here, if you look at here, you have 2 chassis here close to each other, a gray and an orange. Here you have only one chassis. Here you have one, and then you don't have 2 until for some time. That is why the crane was struggling with shortage of chassis in 2 rows. Now it's going to hook to this one, pull it, and move it over to the outer chassis. The chassis is very close to the operator. Let us see how they do it. It is morning time, and they are so busy. Here is a driver, yard jockeys taking that out. They try to catch up with a lift. That was the one was dropped a minute ago. And the crane is moving it over, and he puts it on the outer row. The outer row, because that row has to be taken from outside before they get to the inside. It's a matter of order or sequence. You put on the outside so it can be removed. But if you look carefully, you discover that the one in the middle between the orange and the green is already taken by a driver. Catching up with the lift is just a headache. But the entire row is not picked. The entire row, if you look at from here, from my rear window, a lot of work. When he comes here, he will have shortage issue. There are 2 chassis here and 1 chassis here. It's black, so you cannot see it clearly. Right here. Most probably the other yard jockey will spot the issue. This guy might spot the issue and rush to put one here. He needs another layer, another row in this spot. He's coming. It's a matter who catches who. If the yard While he is doing that, he might take a break after this one, waiting for the yard jockey to drop another chassis. You might realize the problem now when he pulls this one. He has a problem. He skipped the first one, he brought it all away, moved over very close to him. He's going to drop it on the gray chassis. And that procedure, you lower it from one side, you hook the horizontal locks, then you drop it on the vertical locks. Now he have to take a break, because here he has only one inner chassis. He might take a break. I think he is going, yes, he's going to take a break. There's nothing to do. He's calling somebody. Why he has nothing to do? Because when he comes here, there's only that black chassis right in front of you. That's an inner row. He's calling or taking a break to get help. Here's a guy. Here is a guy that comes to help. Here is another guy. This one, yes, this one will save him. We are talking to each other. Well, they are giving him a break. They put two here. That's smart. That's smart. Move over. Okay, they give him a break. I mean, he saved him time. He changed his mind, which means he discovered that if he comes all the way here, he will be stuck. He has no way out. So he's going to leave this for now, this spot for now, and let the crane just keep working. He got in trouble. I think they made an arrangement. He told him, I'm going to stay until you make it live. They call it live unload. So they made an arrangement. They communicated with the walkie-talkie. He told him, I'm going to wait. Just lift that up, put it on lift that container, put it on my chassis, and I will take it and run away with it. So he's going to have two more problems here, three problems. Maybe by the time he finishes, this guy is going to help him with the chassis. Well, he's going to do also a live unload. Okay, you want a live unload? It's very dangerous. Look how dangerous it is. You can break your neck. So he told him it is okay, it is done. So after he leaves, this guy will come out, going to make a U-turn. Shoot, he made the U-turn. He made the U-turn. Bonehead. Look at that, look at that. He's going to destroy the wheels. Everything can be destroyed in a U-turn. Okay, he's going to do this one also live unload. He has two more live unload. After this one, he has two spaces where he has no second row. This is very dangerous to have a driver waiting under the crane. Look at how dangerous it is. He hit him first from the back. When he drops it, it is going to wiggle right and left. Okay, he finished. Let me see if this driver is smart enough to avoid a U-turn. If he makes a U-turn, it's going to destroy the wheels, the axles. The tires can rupture. If the driver comes, he pulls these containers, discover that all the tires lose air. Well, he's going to make a U-turn. Maybe, maybe not. Well, he's playing with something in his hand, with a tablet, in this spot. You can tell he's distracted. Yeah, believe it or not, he made a U-turn. Yeah. He made a U-turn. Look at now as the wheels. Two more live load, that's one, and one behind it, and I have to go now.